morning.
Good morning.
What is the date?
November 21st, 2019.
What is my name?
J.A.R.V.I.S Hanka.
What time is it?
3:16 p.m.
What day is it?
Thursday.
What's your name?
Links.
What's your version?
My current system version is 2.6.3.24.
Hey everybody, welcome to yet another video J.A.R.V.I.S. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install and configure Jarvis in your computer so that you can communicate with your computer just by giving voice commands. So let's begin. Type in your search bar the link. I will leave all the links in the description bar. Hit the enter button. Firstly, I would like to tell you it is a must to sign up when you connected this at first time. For that, there are some small things to do. You have to fill some easy details like your name, your email address, phone number and your birthday. It is not a problem to enter your real details. Then you can connect with this. Now click on connect.
Access granted. Welcome back. Access granted. Welcome back.
Now click on download links and you will get the download page of Jarvis now. Okay, now click on go to download page. Now click on download sub Mark 2. Then click on install button. Now click on save button. So it is starting download a little file of 1 megabytes. So let's wait for a few seconds until it is done. Okay, now educate this file. Click on this and the setup is getting ready for the installation. You need to ask your server Microsoft.NET Framework 4.6 and Windows installer, so make sure you have all those specifications in your computer. Now click on install and wait for a few seconds. It is 34 megabytes in size, so it will take few seconds to install. Okay, so almost done. Now installation process is almost done. It is 98% installed now. Now some of you may get the Microsoft.NET Framework 4.6 error in your computer. So I will leave the link of Microsoft.NET Framework in the description box. So you can go and first download that framework, and after that you can download Jarvis. Now it is initializing. So just wait.
Initial checks completed. Backing up the configuration. Initializing databases. Establishing connection to satellite number 92. Launching microphone setup wizard.
So just wait. It may ask you for the microphone setup. So it is very easy to set up the microphone. Either you are using desktop mic or headphones.
Loading intro. Rendering main control center. Gathering audio and video files. Media libraries have been updated. Loading custom components. I am online and ready.
That is all. You can see here, this is your Mark II and it is online and ready. Now you can use this to control your computer by your voice. So that is it for this video, guys. This video was about the installation and configuration process of Jarvis. I will leave the links in the description box, and also you will get the links at the end of this video. So this is it for this video, guys, and thanks for watching.